Hi everyone, in this video, we'll be covering the important topics of history and civics for first semester board examination. Before moving to the main part, we will have a look at this. You can see that the civics part is of 15 marks, the Union Legislature 15 marks, and the Indian National Movement is of 12 marks. The mass phase of national movement is of 13. Did you notice that the Union Legislature, that is only one chapter? If you do that chapter, you'll gain 15 marks. So you must start with the revision of the Union Legislature. You'll directly get 15 marks from there, and the rest 25 marks is from history part. I would like to show you a drive which has all these important MCQ questions, mind maps, and important dates PDF for History Civics Semester 1 board examination. I have made this drive and provided with all the study material that will be helpful for you in history paper. So you can download all these PDFs from the link in the description. You have to click that link, that drive link, and you will get access to all these PDFs. I will just show you what are these. Like if you click this history mind maps, you will get all these mind maps chapter wise. And then moving to civics important topics, you will click it, you will get access to these important topics. You can revise them. It has 4 pages, right? So you can download all these PDFs and important MCQs from the link in the description box. I am thankful to the Telegram groups from which I could access these materials. If you search ICSE MCQs, you will get a Telegram channel in which they have uploaded many MCQ question papers and PDFs. Let's move on to the strategy part. When you start with history, you have to learn all the causes and the policies, the definition of these policies, important dates. For example, they may ask you a question. It's an important question. Formation of Congress. Who was the founder? A.O. Hume. When did he found this National Congress, Indian National Congress? Answer is 28 December 1885. There were different Samaj like Brahmo Samaj, Arya Samaj. You have to learn the founders, the date it was found. Then important dates PDF is again in that drive which I have provided in the description box. I have systematically arranged those dates. For example, Dandi March, Quit India movement, non-cooperation movement, all these dates are indispensable. And make sure to practice all those picture questions. They may give you a picture, a photograph of any of important leaders or lords like Lord Dalhousie, Lord Curzon, and then they'll ask you who is he, which policy did he start, and so on. So you have to learn all those picture diagrams also, the diagrams I mean. Don't worry, this PDF is also in the description box. The Union Parliament, for that you have to learn the importance of federal setup, then the Union Parliament and its qualifications, all those sessions, quorum, question hour, and the types of questions that are asked in parliamentary sessions. 0 hour, again they'll ask you a question like the members are free to ask without permission. Which hour is that? Then it is 0 hour. Then motion, adjournment motion, no confidence motion. Speaker, the presiding officer of the Lok Sabha, he conducts business of the House. They may ask you what is the term of the Speaker of Lok Sabha. And then Rajya Sabha, its composition, how many members, the special members are selected, how many members are there, and so on. The maximum strength, the nominated members. Moving to the term and qualification, the presiding officer, all of these questions may be asked. And then union list, concurrent list, state list, and they may ask you about the financial powers also. It's obvious that you will get MCQs, but they may frame any sort of question. Control over executive, and then you can have a look at the exclusive powers of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Money bill can originate only in Lok Sabha, right? Now these are the dates, all important dates and acts, starting from 1885 and moving to the last, which is 1947, partition. You have to learn all these dates. These are chapter wise notes of history which you will get in the Drive link. I decided not to make a video on this full syllabus revision of history because it will take a lot of time, and it will be a 1 hour video which you can't afford to watch because 1 hour is very, very long. It's better to read and not to see those videos which will take a lot of time. You can go through these notes, read the causes, and you can also get the picture of these lords because they may ask you picture questions. As you can see, there is this General Service Enlistment Act and its date. So I'll keep on telling what things are important. You don't have to worry about this. This is not in your syllabus. Now, Raja Ram Mohan Roy is a very important farmer. He founded Brahmo Samaj in 1828. He believed in monotheism or worship of one god and so on. By his efforts, William Bentinck, the Governor General of India, passed a law in 1829 making the practice of sati punishable and illegal. Then Jyotiba Phule, note down his book Gulamgiri and Savitri Bai Phule. He founded Satya Shodhak Samaj in 1873 to give social justice to the weaker sections of the society. The newspaper role. It was through the press that messages of patriotism and modern liberal ideas of liberty, freedom, equality, home rule and independence spread among people. Right? Indian Association, who was the head of Indian Association, Surendranath Banerjee. Then, as I told you, formation of the Congress, A.O. Hume, and the aims and objectives are here. The early nationalist and methods of early nationalist, any 4 points. Like, it will come in theoretical question, but still you have to read them. Sometimes they may ask you which of these is not a method of early nationalist. Early nationalist leaders, Dadabhai Naoroji. You can read all these points. Then Gopal Krishna Gokhale. He was the founders of the Servants India Society. S.N. Banerjee, Surendranath Banerjee, established the Indian Association. He started agitation against these acts. Note down all these acts. He was called Father of Indian Nationalism. Then Lord Curzon. Boards will definitely ask you questions on important leaders. Then Lala Lajpat Rai. He was associated with the Arya Samaj movement. Objectives of the Muslim League. Again, a very important topic. The Khilafat movement, Rowlatt Act, Jallianwala Bagh tragedy, Mahatma Gandhi non-cooperation movement, causes of Khilafat, Rowlatt Act, Jallianwala Bagh, and all these states. The causes, the reaction to the Simon Commission. See, these 3 topics are very, very important. Please note down the dates also. You can see. Impact of non-cooperation movement. Purna Swaraj, that is complete independence. Simon Commission, it had 7 British members of parliament and no Indian member. Declaration of Purna Swaraj. On 31st December 1929, Nehru hoisted Indian tricolor flag on the banks of river Ravi at Lahore. And then Dandi March. Right? Note down all these dates. Although I have provided the PDF of important dates, everything is covered in that. Gandhi-Irwin Pact. Very important. There is this Second World War which is not in your syllabus, so you don't have to study this. You have to study only those notes that are in your syllabus. you can avoid studying Second World War and so on, these causes, because it is not in your syllabus. Thank you for watching my video. If it helped you out, please like and subscribe my channel.